Hi everyone, this is Beverly with Little Nook of Doll Dreams, and I hope everyone's doing well and has been having a good week. And I was looking on reborns.com and I came across this little one, and I just could not adopt him. So this is the Jasmim kit by the kit was purchased from Irresistibles, and this is the artist is Gina Morris, and her nursery on reborns.com is named Sweet Cheeks Baby. And this little one is so adorable. I have it as a little boy, and he's 16 inches long and 3.1 pounds. Vinyl with a vinyl head and limbs with a cloth body. He's a preemie size, and his arms and legs are full length. He's limited edition. He is number 582 out of 1500, and he has brown eyes. They're polyglass. His lashes are rooted, and his hair is rooted. And let's see, he can take a magnetic pacifier. Alrighty, so let's get into it. I'm super excited. Let's see. She has a little card here. And we'll see if I can. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Look, at the inside of the envelope is precious strawberries. And a little thank you card. Beverly, thank you for adopting this sweet baby, and I know he will bring you lots of joy. Gina Morris, Sweet Cheeks Baby. If you get a moment, I would love a review, of course. I always try to stay on top of giving the reviews. But how cute is that? And then here is the little COA. All the babies are so cute. So cute. And let's see here. Whoops. A little care paper. Alright, so here we go. Aww. Oh, he comes with a little passy. Oh, I love these too. These little, I can't remember the name of them right now, but they're so cute. A little hat, and a little gray hat with a little white onesie that says "Hug me, so happy" all over it. So loved. It is very cute. Child of mine, preemie. And that is precious. Oops. Now the pacifier is a very pretty, like a sage green, I believe that is. Really well packed little guy. Oh, let's see that. Box out of the way. Oh my goodness, where's his little head? I think there's his head. Looky here. Let's see if I can down a little bit. This blanket is so soft. It's like a blue-gray color, and it is so soft. Oh, I don't have one like this in this material. This is very soft. Oh, looky. Looky at his little legs. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Let's keep his little, look at his little legs. Oh, so sweet. Whoops. Look at his little toes. I love how everyone loves the little baby feet. Oh, he's so cute. This lighting is terrible. He's coming off like not the right color in the video, but he's so precious. Look at his little tootsies. His little legs. And here we got little hands. And another hand. How sweet. Oh, he's very cute. Oh, little tiny hands. Are you ready? Well, I wish you had his food. Oh, look, guys. Look at this precious little one. Look at this baby. He is so cute. Look how sweet he is. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's beautiful. He's coming off more yellow toned, but he's kicking the stand. Look at his little, oh my goodness. He is so sweet, you guys. Look at this. Let's see if we can get a better close up. Say hi, everyone. Oh my goodness, he is so adorable. So cute. Oh my goodness, guys. He's so sweet. Oh, look at him. My lighting is terrible. Did I bring my... I don't know what I did with my other little light. How cute. Oh, sorry about that loud car. How cute is he? He's so precious. Let me see if I can close the curtain if it gets any better. Let's just see if that helps. Maybe a little bit. Let's see. Look how tiny this little guy is, you guys. He's so cute. So cute. Oh my goodness. Well, that's that, guys. He's just so cute and tiny. Anyway, well, thank you all for watching, and if you did like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And I've noticed my subscriber count is going up, so we're going to be doing some type of a giveaway soon. I'm still trying to figure out exactly how I want to do it. It will not be announced. It will be in a video somewhere where I say, because I want it to be somebody who is subscribed and not just, I'm not interested in posting and saying that I'm having a giveaway, trying to, you know, because I would rather just the people who come across or find me through word of mouth of other people that I follow and enjoy. So it will just be mentioned in a video, so that we can try to keep out the scammers and spammers and people who don't really care. They just want to join all the giveaways. So that will be coming up soon. So just stay tuned and pay attention. So anyway, thank you all so much for coming, and I will see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.